Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to reset your Instagram password if you forgot it. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here. Then after you open up your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon down below right here. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three sliders from the top. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Account Center. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to Password and Security. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Change Password. So at this point here, select your Instagram handle. Then at this point here, enter your current password. Then enter the new password. Then retype the new password. And the next thing you need to do is simply click on Change Password. You change your Instagram password for the handle. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to reset your Instagram password. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.